Hey guys, Coins and Currency. Carter, what's our video about today?
Cleaning silver coins.
Cleaning silver coins, which you should never do. Well, you'll understand. Watch the video. It's only a few minutes.
Yep.
Let us know what you think. Oh, here we are. No better? Okay. All right, we are going to experiment today on cleaning constitutional silver. Now, everybody knows you should not clean coins, at least coins that are to be graded or key date coins, collector coins. This is just constitutional silver, also referred to as junk silver. So we're gonna clean it today to see if these videos other people put out really are giving us the full truth. Can we clean coins? Let's find out. So what do we need to clean coins? Well, you need a container, obviously. We're going to line it with aluminum foil, the whole bottom of it. We need baking soda for this application. That's what we're gonna use here. We're gonna use hot water. Pretend there's hot water in there. Ooh. We're gonna use cold water. We gotta have our gloves on, of course. And then What else are we missing? Oh wait, I know. Coins.
It's complete, and we bind the container with aluminum foil.
Next thing we do is put a layer of baking soda down. Spread it around. Gonna grab our coins. And you can see some of these, especially the mercury dimes, are very dirty. And then we are trying also a war nickel, which is 35% silver. See how that cleans up as well. So stick them in there. And we're gonna cover them with hot water. And then we're going to put more baking soda on top of them. And let it sit for, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes and see how they look. Okay, so the coins have sat in the solution about 10 minutes. We have our gloves on now. We're gonna take a couple of them out and see how they look. Rinse the baking soda off there. We'll see how they look. And remember, you can repeat the process. If they don't come as clean as you think they will, or could, put them back in, repeat the process. Notice that we're wearing gloves here, one, to keep the stuff off our hands, and two, because we're not going to scratch or scrape at the coins with any type of tool. Again, you should never clean your coins if it's something you're going to get graded, but if it's something you just want to do a little project like we're doing, that's fine, but still try not to scratch them up. Using a glove like this should prevent most scratches, or at least deep scratches. So I'll pull the rest of these out. We will take a look at them and show you what we did. All right, so we're done with everything. We cleaned up all the coins, cleaned up our mess. I don't know how well you can tell on the video, but these are much cleaner than they were when we started, with the exception of this mercury dime, which, you know, if we'd taken some more time, maybe 15-20 minutes in the solution, maybe use a Q-tip on this to help get rid of some of that grime, it would probably come a lot cleaner. We could do that again. This was just an experiment, just for fun, on constitutional silver, not on anything you're going to get graded. If you were to send something like this to get graded to PCGS or another grading company, it would come back as a clean coin. They could definitely tell when the coin's been cleaned. But this does work if you just want to, you know, have a little fun here. Even if you just have some, like I said, constitutional silver, junk silver. This war nickel came very clean compared to what it was. So let us know, have you ever cleaned coins? What do you use to clean them with? We have MS70. We haven't really used it yet, but wanted to try this first. We might try that on some other coins. But drop us a note. Let us know if you've had any success cleaning coins and what you used. Carter?
Subscribe, like the video, and see you all later.